In this tutorial, I will show you the complete step-by-step process of making a high-quality liquid detergent using multiple ingredients. We will go through every stage from preparing each solution to the final mixing process so you can achieve the best results. Let's get started. We'll begin by preparing all our ingredients separately. First, dissolve 40 grams of sodium lauryl sulfate (SLS) in 500 ml of water. Give it a quick stir, then set it aside to dissolve on its own. Next, dissolve 30 grams of STPP in 200 ml of water. Stir until it has completely dissolved, then set it aside. Now, dissolve 30 grams of soda ash in 200 ml of water. Stir thoroughly until there is no particles left, then set it aside as well. Next, dissolve 18 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 ml of water. Stir until it is completely dissolved before setting it aside. Always remember to handle sodium hydroxide carefully and follow proper safety precautions. Now let's prepare the detergent base. In a separate container, add 100 grams of Texapon to 200 grams of sulfonic acid. Keep stirring until the two ingredients combine completely and the mixture turns white. Once fully combined, begin dissolving this mixture with 1.2 liters of water. Don't pour all the water in at once. Instead, add a little at a time. Stir it thoroughly after each addition before adding more. As you continue, you will notice the mixture becoming fluffy and increasing in volume. Keep stirring. After a while, it may become very thick and hard to mix, but don't stop. Continue adding water gradually and stirring patiently. Eventually, it will soften, become smooth, and turn into a liquid. Once everything has been prepared, set all the solution aside and allow them to rest for at least 5 hours. Fast forward 8 hours later. Now let's prepare the remaining ingredients. Dissolve 70 grams of sodium sulfate in 400 ml of water. Stir until it has completely dissolved, then set it aside. Next, dissolve 26 grams of Nitrosol in 2 liters of water. Stir until it has fully hydrated and there is no lump remaining before moving on. Now, it is finally time to start the production process. Begin by adding the sodium hydroxide solution into the already dissolved nitrosol while stirring continuously. As you stir, you will notice the mixture becoming thicker, which is exactly what we want. Next, add the soda ash solution and stir until well incorporated. After that, pour in the STPP solution and continue stirring. Now, add the SLS solution. Make sure your SLS has dissolved completely before adding it. Stir gently until it blends evenly into the mixture. Next, add the sodium sulfate solution and stir thoroughly. At this stage, you may notice that the detergent loses some of its thickness. Don't worry, that is perfectly normal because the next ingredients will restore the consistency. Now, pour in the prepared Texapon and sulfonic acid mixture and stir well. As you can see, the detergent immediately begins to regain its thickness and develop that rich, slimy texture associated with high-quality liquid detergents. Next, add 40 grams of Cocoamide and stir until fully mixed. Then, add 8 grams of Glycerin and stir again. The Glycerin helps improve the feel and overall quality of the detergent. Now, dissolve 4 grams of sodium benzoate in 10 ml of water. Once completely dissolved, add it to the detergent and stir thoroughly. This helps preserve the product. Next, add your preferred fragrance and mix it in evenly. Finally, add your preferred color. I decided to use blue color. After adding it, give everything one final thorough stir until the color is evenly distributed throughout the detergent. Now cover the container and allow the detergent to rest for at least 12 hours or even more. The longer it rests, the better the final appearance, as any trapped air and foam will settle. The following day, our high quality liquid detergent is ready. Just look at that rich, smooth consistency. If you feel your detergent is a little too thick for your preference, you can always add a little more water and stir until you achieve the consistency you like. Personally, I am happy with this thickness. And that is it. Your high quality liquid detergent is ready to use. I hope you find this step-by-step tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with someone who wants to learn detergent making, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials, homemade product recipes, and small business ideas. If you have any question about the detergent or the process, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.